In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Zoom from opening on startup. If Zoom keeps launching every time you turn on your computer, it can slow things down and get in the way. The good news is, you can turn this off right inside the app in just a minute, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open the Zoom app on your device. Make sure you've actually launched the desktop app rather than just signing in on the web, because these settings live in the app itself. Give it a moment to load, and if Zoom asks you to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access all the preferences. Next, look to the top corner of the Zoom window for your profile picture or your initials. Click that, and then click the small gear icon labeled Settings. The gear is your shortcut to all of Zoom's preferences. If your window is small, the Settings option may appear in a short menu after you click your profile picture. Just select it there. Inside Settings, choose the General tab. This tab controls how Zoom behaves on your computer, including what it does when your system starts up. If you don't see General right away, you might be on a different category, so check the left sidebar and click General to bring up the right set of options. Now find the option related to starting Zoom automatically. Depending on your version, it may read Auto Start Zoom Workplace, Start Zoom when I start Windows, or Start Zoom when I start this computer. Uncheck that box. If you see more than one startup-related box, such as options to keep Zoom running in the background, you can uncheck those too if you want the app completely out of the way until you open it yourself. There's no save button here. Your change takes effect as soon as you uncheck the box. You can close the settings window and continue using your computer as normal. The next time you start or log into your computer, Zoom will no longer open on its own, and you'll launch it only when you need it. A quick tip: if the option looks different, that's normal. Zoom updates may change wording slightly, but you're always looking for the startup behavior under the General section. If the checkbox is grayed out, it might be controlled by your organization's device settings. In that case, you'll need permission from your administrator to change it. That's it, simple and effective. By adjusting this one setting, you reduce startup clutter and keep your computer focused on what you want to do. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, faster start to your day without Zoom popping up automatically.